Welcome to Wonder TV. Today we have got another exciting edition all about wealth creation. Our mission here is to share knowledge, techniques, and tips to help you on your journey to building wealth. If you are new to our channel and have dreams of creating wealth, we would love for you to join our community. Just take a moment and click on the subscription button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to know whenever we post informative videos, just like the one you're about to watch. Thank you for being here. Alright guys, let's start. If you have a phone with a good camera, this video is actually for you. Please watch this video to the end because we are going to be showing you how you can make some cool dollars with your phone camera. The first thing you need to do is get your phone and take good quality photographs with your phone camera. After doing that, go to your browser, type stock.adobe.com. Once you do that, a page like this will appear on your PC screen or your phone screen. You create an account with Adobe. You can create your account using either Facebook or your Google account. Once you are through with that, a verification message will be sent to your email address. Go to your email address, click on the link and verify your account. After that, go back to stock.adobe.com. Click on the icon Sell. Once you click on it, upload those photographs and start making your money. Once you upload those photographs and people purchase them, you start making your money. As you can see here, these are photographs uploaded by people just like you. And once people purchase these photographs, they get paid for them. So what are you waiting for? Turn your phone camera into a money-making venture. Thank you. Alright, that's all for today's video. Please feel free to drop your comments and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more insightful content on wealth creation, and until next time, keep reaching for your dreams. Thanks for being part of the Wonder TV family, and we look forward to see you in our next video. Take care.